Out in the pasture.
Moo
Moo moo moo.
I gotta remember to wear my moo moos.
No.
Yes. I have a moo moo.
Hens in the hen house. Where's he going? You want to check it out? What, baby?
A strange belly walking around the house.
She's decided to be afraid of Chris tonight. Are you ready for pajamas? Did you bring me the Y again? Oh, that's a V. It's very close.
Boy.
Yeah, that's the Y. Nice.